Ever felt that sting watching someone achieve your dreams? That mix of admiration and resentment as you scroll through others' success. Jealousy, it's often called toxic. But what if it's actually the fuel you need to achieve greatness? Meet Ryan. At 27, he watched his friends build businesses and live the life he dreamed of. Each achievement he saw deepened his frustration, until one day he discovered how to transform jealousy into his greatest asset. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn Ryan's exact method to convert envy into unstoppable momentum, a mindset shift that successful people rarely discuss. Subscribe now for this counterintuitive approach to success that could be the missing piece in your journey. Ryan had big dreams. He wanted to start his own business, travel the world, and create a life of success. But every time he scrolled through social media, he saw others already living that dream. Friends launching companies, influencers exploring the world, classmates landing high-paying jobs. And instead of feeling happy for them, he felt jealous. Why them? Why not me? He kept asking himself. That jealousy started consuming him. Instead of focusing on his own goals, he wasted time comparing, complaining, and feeling like a failure. One night, after seeing yet another success story, Ryan had a wake-up call. I can't live like this. Either I let jealousy destroy me, or I use it to push myself forward. That moment changed everything. He was about to discover how jealousy could become his greatest motivation. At first, Ryan tried to ignore his jealousy. He told himself it didn't matter, but deep down it kept eating away at him. Whenever he saw someone achieve success, he felt a mix of anger, self-doubt, and frustration. Instead of celebrating others, he made excuses. They got lucky. They have connections. I'll never have that. One day, his mentor noticed his negativity and said something that shook him to the core. Jealousy is just admiration in disguise. The people you envy are showing you what you truly want. Ryan had never thought about it that way. His jealousy wasn't about them. It was about his own unfulfilled potential. That realization hit him hard. Instead of wasting energy on resentment, he asked himself, what if I used this jealousy as a sign? A sign to push harder, to learn, to grow. That was his turning point. Determined to change, Ryan stopped focusing on others and started focusing on himself. Instead of seeing success as competition, he saw it as proof that his dreams were possible. He remembered a quote by Theodore Roosevelt, "Comparison is the thief of joy." So he did something different. Every time he felt jealous, he took action. If he envied someone's business, he studied entrepreneurship. If he felt jealous of a fit friend, he hit the gym. He even created a personal rule: no jealousy without action. And something incredible happened. His life started improving. Experts say this works because jealousy, when reframed, can be a powerful psychological tool. Dr. Robert L. Leahy, a psychologist, explains that reframing jealousy as inspiration shifts our mindset from passive resentment to active self-improvement. Ryan was no longer trapped in jealousy. He was using it to fuel his success. Months passed, and Ryan's mindset had completely transformed. Jealousy no longer controlled him, it empowered him. Instead of feeling bitter about others' success, he used it as a roadmap. If someone achieved something he wanted, he studied their journey and applied their strategies to his own life. Then he came across a quote from Tony Robbins: "Success leaves clues. If someone is successful, study them. Do what they do and you'll get similar results." Ryan followed this principle. He stopped resenting and started learning, growing, and taking action. And before he knew it, people were now looking up to him. The lesson? Jealousy is not your enemy. It's a sign of what you truly desire. Instead of letting it drain you, let it drive you. So, next time you feel jealous, ask yourself, how can I use this as fuel for my own success? Jealousy is a sign. It's showing you what you truly want. Don't fight it. Use it. What's one goal you've been avoiding because of jealousy? Comment below. And if this story inspired you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more life-changing motivation.